When sudden cardiac arrest strikes, every second matters, and so does the way we respond. Yet even with AEDs available in more places than ever before, there's one critical mistake that people continue to make. Today, we're uncovering the #1 mistake people make with an AED and how you can avoid it when it matters most. The #1 mistake people make with an AED: not using it at all. When emergencies happen, people often hesitate. They're afraid they'll do something wrong. They think the device is too complicated, or they worry they might hurt the person further. But the truth is, an AED is designed for anyone to use, even without medical training. Modern AEDs give clear voice and visual prompts to guide you step by step. From telling you how to place the pads, to analyzing the heart rhythm, to advising whether or not a shock is needed, the AED walks you through the entire process. Hesitation costs precious time. Every minute without defibrillation reduces a person's chances of survival by 7 to 10%. It's important to remember that taking quick action, even if you're nervous, dramatically increases survival chances. Every moment you wait, oxygen is being cut off from the brain and vital organs. Early defibrillation combined with CPR can double or even triple a person's chances of surviving sudden cardiac arrest. Confidence comes with familiarity. That's why practicing with AED trainers, attending CPR and AED courses, and reviewing simple emergency response steps can help you react faster and more confidently when a real emergency happens. Here's what you should do instead. If you see someone collapse and they are not breathing normally or at all, call 911 immediately. Start CPR if you're able, and use the AED as soon as possible. Turn it on and follow the prompts. Even if you're unsure, doing something is far better than doing nothing. Remember, AEDs are safe. They will not deliver a shock unless the device detects that it is necessary. You cannot accidentally shock someone who doesn't need it. The biggest risk isn't using an AED incorrectly. The biggest risk is not using it at all. Let's build a culture of action, not hesitation. Be prepared. Be confident. You could save a life. Call 888-652-1882 today.